Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's reach the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. Here we've got backup option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see, in my case the backup option is turned on, but if you have it turn it off, it will look like it. And make sure that you will turn it on just by tapping on this switcher, because thanks to this we unlock the account option, and now you can freely tap on it in order to add a backup account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Let's tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept. And now your device is again telling you what the backup includes. So it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So if you're ready, tap on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, and from now on, all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.